Hello, and welcome to the course on probability theory. When we are working with real life data sets, when we are looking at repeats of an experiment, we'll see some uncertainty associated with the data set. The repeats do not give rise to the same outcomes. There's some stochasticity, some randomness. And probability theory basically provides us with a tool, with a language to address this uncertainty. In this course, we'll cover both the fundamentals as well as some applications of probability. We start at some of the core concepts that includes the notion of event, sample space, the axioms of probability, and then build up to more advanced topics like naive-based classification, random variables, and so on. We'll cover some of the commonly used distributions to model continuous as well as discrete dataset. And we'll also try to understand the intuition behind these distributions. The concepts will be reinforced using hands-on programming using the programming language R. That will also help us bridge the gap between theory and application. By the end of this course, you will be able to appreciate and understand uncertainty, use appropriate models for your datasets, and hopefully interpret results accurately and confidently. Welcome to the course.